Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something truly remarkable to show you. Imagine a world where a house can be built in just 24 hours. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that it's already happening? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking machine that's making this dream a reality. Now you might be thinking, who has the time or money to spare for such a luxury? Well, believe it or not, this innovation is not just for the rich and famous. It's about making a significant impact on how we approach construction and home ownership. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed as we explore the inner workings of this incredible invention. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our exciting updates. And if you love cool tech and innovative solutions, give us a like to help us grow. For years, building a house has been a lengthy, expensive process. From the moment you lay the foundation to the day you finally add that finishing touch to the roof, construction can take months, sometimes even longer. Not to mention the rising cost of materials and labor, which adds stress to both homeowners and builders. But fear not, because there's a new player in town and it's about to change everything. Enter the game-changing solution to all your construction woes. Say goodbye to those long wait times and soaring expenses, because with the advent of cutting-edge technology, you can now build an entire house in a record-breaking 24 hours. Yes, you heard that right. One day, meet the Cutlaw, an extraordinary 3D printing technology that is revolutionizing the construction industry. This marvel of engineering is designed to tackle the age-old problem of slow and expensive housing construction. Get ready to witness the future of home building. The CAL 3D printer boasts two massive 6-meter nozzles that work together to extrude large amounts of a special concrete mix. This mixture is carefully calibrated to ensure it remains workable for extended periods, allowing the printer to build structures layer by layer with ease. But it's not just about the size of the nozzles. The CAL 3D printer's strength lies in its advanced control system. Imagine a printer that can not only build complex shapes, but also ensure they are structurally sound. Thanks to the CAL 3D printer, this is now a reality. Controlled by sophisticated computer programs, this machine can create intricate designs while ensuring the necessary thickness of walls and other crucial structural elements. No job is too big or too small for this versatile machine. Whether it's a simple single-story building or a multi-level masterpiece, the CAL 3D printer can handle it all with precision and ease. But what sets the Colmar 3D printer apart from its competitors? The answer is speed. This printer operates at lightning-fast speeds, covering 1,000 square meters of ground floor per day. That means it can complete an entire house in just 24 hours. You heard that right, one day. Imagine waking up to the sight of your new home taking shape right before your eyes. As the Colmar 3D printer moves at a rapid pace, laying down layer after layer of concrete, you'll witness the magic of modern technology in action. Before you know it, what was once a blank canvas of land will be transformed into a beautiful, fully functioning home, ready for you to move in and make it your own. The benefits of this technology go beyond just speed. The CAL 3D printer also offers incredible precision. With its advanced control system, the machine can create intricate designs with complex geometries that would be impossible for traditional construction methods. The result, unique and stunning homes that stand out from the crowd. And let's not forget about the cost savings. The CAL 3D printer is not only faster than traditional methods, but it also uses fewer resources and requires less labor. In fact, it can cut down expenses related to traditional labor and materials by up to 70%. That means you'll get the home of your dreams without breaking the bank. So there you have it, a machine that's transforming the way we think about construction. With just 24 hours, the dream of owning a home might soon be within reach for many more people. What do you think? Could this be the future of housing? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the amazing world of technology and innovation. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and get ready for more mind-blowing discoveries. Bye for now.